Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today we are going to learn the extends the sales order Odoo Module Inheritance step by step. So what we will do, add the custom fields to the Odoo built-in sales order model. Fields will be adding delivery instructions, priority, internal references, approved by. Show these fields into the sales order form view. Sales module to be installed in the Odoo complete tutorial. So the extended state order file is sale.order. The sales.order model in the Odoo, we will inherit it, add our custom fields. Same concept as the first, we have already said about the first one. Okay. So what are the files that we have to create? That is make directory. So let's go and just hit this command. Okay. So what would be the next? We have to create the init.py. So I'm gonna just take a look of this one, sales custom. Then first we have to create the init.py. Let's go to the folder structure. Custom contact sales custom. So first of all, new file that is init.py. Okay. So init.py we have done. Then manifest.py. Next step, that is models. We have to create the folder. In models we have to create the init.py. Next we have to create the next model file, that is sales order. We have to initialize the model's name, which fields we want. Okay, next we have to go with the views part. So let's go and just create the new folder with views, and we have the view file, that is sales order views.xml. Okay, now we have note that no security IR model access CSV needed because we are extended the existing mod. Okay, so let's fill up the data over there. So let's create dot this, and first of all let's import this init py models. So the init py, we have to add this. Next we have to go manifest. This is the manifest file, and make sure we have a depends on the sales. Right, now model folder. Then in the init py we have to sales order, where we have the so sale underscore order. This is the file that we are importing. And now sale order file, so we have to just copy this. Okay, so we have a priority, normal, urgent, critical. Okay, delivery instructions, internal reference, and the approved by. Okay, so underscore inherit sale dot order extends the existing sale order many to one. Response dot users links to the users model. Okay, and you can select which user approved by the order. Okay, so this is, that's why here you can say fails many to order response dot users. So basically it is for the which users that is approved the order. Okay, now last step, that is the view that I'm gonna create it. So let's copy this view part and let's paste it over here. Now moving to the next step, that is we have to restart the Odoo. Okay, let's go to the terminal and just restart it. Okay, so this would be the sales order custom, add fields, customer partner ID. Okay, that's it. Let's go to the Odoo app. Okay, so let's go to the custom sales. We need to search also. Before that we have to install that sales module also. Okay, so let's go to the local host. And let's go to the apps, then update app list, update. And first of all, we have to install the sales module, activate this. Okay, now we have to go with our sales part is there. Okay, now we have to go with our next module, that is go to apps. Then we have to install our custom sales, that is our app. Then activate this. Okay, let's go to the settings. I think we should enable the developer mode. Save. Then we go to our sales part. Okay, new quotation. Is it added the parts that we have, or we need to just refresh it? Apps, update app list, custom sales. Okay, let's go to the sales. Is there any other module also? Let me just check the sales. Order is also there. No, I guess, but why our fields are not showing? Let's have a look. Customers, activities. Okay, I don't know what's going on with new quotation. Okay, yeah, here you can see that we have internal reference that we have added. Then priority, then approved by administrator, and add product, create. Okay, and unit price you can add, and then send, continue. Okay, then is it done? Okay, quotation part is the quotation sent. If I go to the back to the sales, here we have activities, total sales, right? And if I edit this, and we get our internal reference, priority, approved by, these are the fields that we have used in our model. Delivery instructions is I don't know where delivery instruction goes. Delivery instruction, I think last part would be the delivery instructions. Quotation sent, confirm, no sales order. Yeah, here you can see that delivery instruction will come. Okay, create invoice, create draft, confirm, send. Okay, if I go and just check our new invoice is also generated, and the delivery instruction is also added. So this is how you are able to, like, extend the sales order. Any doubt, any query, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you want the code also, I'll send you the code also. Just do write me down in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.